Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about this, the Capital One Venture Card. Now this card is honestly one of the best cards that I have gotten, and I'm not using my Apple credit card anymore because I got this one. I'm going to be explaining to you why I got this card and my overall opinions on it, some of the things I like, some of the things that I don't like. But before we jump into the episode here, right now we're doing the AirPods giveaway. So how you enter, it's super simple. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr, and you guys can get free AirPods. It's super simple. We're going to be announcing the winner this week on my Instagram, so if you guys want to go ahead, check that out, I'll let you guys know. So what is the Capital One Venture Card? Well, this card is really designed for people who plan on traveling or travel quite often. Now they do have a ton of rewards that really drew me to this card. The very first thing that I noticed about the card was the great sign up bonus. Right now you guys can get 50,000 travel miles if you spend $3,000 for the first 3 months. Now I know you guys are gonna think, well that doesn't make sense to spend $3,000 only to get like $700 in travel. Well, here's the way I look at it. If you guys are doing your daily spending habits, getting groceries, getting gas, paying bills, put it on this, put it on your Venture One Capital card, and use those points and hit that rewards. Once you hit that, you guys can go on like a literally almost a free vacation because you will get a lot of travel perks to go. And another thing that I really like about this card is they have the $100 TSA PreCheck bags that you can get for free. So how this works is when you go to an airport, they have the TSA PreChecked bags. And you take your bags, you go over there, and it kind of bypasses all that waiting and all those stupid lines. So you go in and you're good to go. And when they charge you for it, guess what? Capital One covers it. Up to $100. Obviously, if you have hundreds of bags, they're not going to cover all of it. But for two people, with two people, you can easily do it. So how does the points work on this card? So it's super simple, and for each dollar you spend, you get roughly 2 points or 2 miles towards travel or any of the other rewards that they have. So just to put things in perspective, if let's say you spend $1,000 per month on this card, and then you hold it for the entire year, you will have 24,000 travel miles. You can use those, go on vacation, or just take it and buy some stuff or just travel with it and do whatever you guys want. Because you can use the rewards on Amazon, you can use it on hotels.com, you can use it on a variety of partners that Capital One has. They have over 15 partners that you can use, so it's a cool little thing that they have. Now if let's say you don't go on vacation or you don't use the rewards at the end of the year, not a big deal because there is no annual cap for this card. Now a lot of cards will have a cap, or they will cancel or restart your card at the end of the year. On the Venture One Capital card, they do not have that. So at the end of the year, if let's say you have 100,000 miles, it continues to go into the next year, and you will start off January 1st with 100,000 miles. And you can keep building that up and then go on a sweet vacation or do something awesome with it. What is the annual fee for this card? So the first year it's completely waived, which is very nice because you can see if you even like this card. Now, after that first year, it is $95 per year after that. That's really not too bad if you think about all the stuff that this card offers. Great travel. So if let's say you guys can get like 2 free plane tickets out of this card, and it only costs you $100 per year, that is easily worth it in my opinion. Not to mention you get that $100 TSA PreCheck bags. So right there, just from the checked bags, you get your money back. What happens if you don't like this card? Obviously, one of the things that I love about this card is after the first year, if let's say you realize, all right, maybe this card isn't the best card for me, you can easily downgrade it to a lower Capital One Venture card. Because this is the kind of the top tier, and then they do have the one right below it, which is I think the Capital One Venture .1 or something like that. I'm not 100% sure what it is, but I know it has no annual fee. And then instead of doubling your miles, so if let's say you spend $1, you get 2 miles. On the one with no annual fee, you get only 1.5. So it's not too big of a difference, but if you're somebody who is really trying to maximize travel, I would recommend the $95 one over, just because they don't have the TSA PreCheck bags, they don't have a variety of other things. Now, what are some of the cons to this card? Well, obviously the $95 annual fee is kind of a weakness in my opinion, just because it's money that's going away towards a fee, and obviously most people think fees are bad, fees are terrible, but in hindsight, it's not that big of a deal, especially with all the great rewards that they have. So another thing that kind of sucks is they literally just lost their membership or their partnership with hotels.com. Before then, for each dollar you spent, you got 10 times for travel. So meaning if you spent $1, you got 10 points for travel. And they canceled that January of 2020, which is terrible, but honestly, they'll probably pick up another partner because Capital One is actually really good at that, and they kind of listen to their customers. Overall, I think this card is really designed for someone who is trying to maximize their travel and somebody who's trying to get out there and, you know, kind of take the credit card wave and go with it, you know. And obviously, to have this card, you do have to have good to excellent credit, anywhere from over 680, if not 700, to get even approved for this card. Now, the interest I pay on it is ridiculous. It's over 20%, but each month I pay it off so I don't have to worry about it. And that's what I would highly recommend doing if you're somebody who is interested in this card. So if you guys want to see if you guys will even benefit from this card, there's going to be a calculator where you can go on and kind of put in your daily spending, your monthly spending, and so you can see how many points and stuff you can get from this card over the course of a year. That will be down below. That will probably be the first or second link. So my overall opinions, I would give it a 4.5. I think this is a really cool card, and especially if they get some more partners, I think that is the only thing that kind of drags this card down. Annual fee's not that big of a deal because I know all the perks and rewards outweigh it, so not a big deal at all. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care, peace out, and have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!